are in Goa. Good morning guys. हम कल that is 12th of December गोवा पहुंचे, but it was really dark at night and so we couldn't film. But today marks the beginning of our vacation after
a year
or two, I guess. I don't even remember when was the last time we took a vacation. So this is a very special occasion, right? We've come with 20 or more people, like our family is that big, and we thought this is so special that we need to vlog it. So here we are. This is Siddhi and this is Dhwani, and on this new untitled channel we are going to put up this Goa vlog and you're going to come with us. So अभी हमने यहाँ पे चेक इन किया है कल रात को, but we haven't filmed a tour yet of the room because it's a mess like you can always guess. So we'll clean now a little, just थोड़ा सा, इतना ज़्यादा नहीं करेंगे आपके लिए, but थोड़ा सा ऊपर से, and we'll show you the room. So just wait. This is the room. It's a full-on wooden cottage room. This is the washroom, but I won't show much. It's just a basic washroom. And this is the room. Full wood vibes going on. And that's Ruchi doing her makeup. It's a very beautiful place, and it has a balcony like this. Hi, voiceover Siddhi is back. So after the room tour, we all got ready and had our breakfast at the property. COVID has affected manpower all over Goa and just everywhere in general, so the services overall were really slow, which kind of is understandable. So we ran late to begin our day. We left the hotel to explore Goa with many plans in our heads, but you'll see what happened next. Hey guys, so hi, this is Kiran Nada. We are going to Basilica of Bom Jesus. We just took a pit stop behind because just to click pictures because Instagram is important, and now we are going to the church, so we'll see you there. So guys, we went to the church but we weren't allowed in because they had their lunchtime. So if you come to Basilica, lunchtime is from 1:30 to 2:30, so keep that in mind. So then there's a museum opposite to it. We went there to see the museum. The museum has books and literature and a few paintings, photographs, pictures of saints and popes. So it's a good quick visit if you are into culture and want to know about Goan culture more. And yeah, this is the museum from the outside. We weren't allowed to film inside because photography is prohibited. So now we are waiting to decide whether we should go for lunch or wait to go to the church. So we'll figure it out. Oh, also one thing you have to make sure when you enter the church, you're not allowed to wear sleeveless. So if you're a girl, you're not allowed to wear anything which shows your shoulders basically. So we both were wearing that. We had our scarves with us, that is a good thing. So we covered ourselves up, or else you'll have to buy scarves from the outside.
2 hours later.
Guys, so epic fail, we didn't go to the church. The timings were really odd and we took 2 hours for our lunch, which was amazing by the way. Our lunch happened at this place called Fisherman's Wharf in Panjim. This place has got a great ambience and even better food. A seafood lover should definitely give it a visit, but the vegetarian options as well are really good.
So we were here at Ferry Wharf restaurant.
Arey, ठीक है, you continue talking.
If you want to ask about the fish, ask me.
Yeah.
I've had it.
So, number one recommendation is the seafood soup.
Soup.
It's a special dish of Fisherman's Wharf. Amazing. This is the best soup that I have ever had. And the place has really good interiors and the ambience is amazing.
To all the surmai fry lovers, the surmai fry here was too awesome.
Too awesome. We came to Fountain House. It's a lane full of old portable houses and they are really colorful. Like, look behind me.
And the street itself is
It's
so pretty.
so lively and vibrant. Must visit if you are into pictures. 7:40 p.m. right now of 13th of December, and we've had a beautiful day. So we had planned for a lot many different things. Like our initial plan included visiting a fort and then visiting the church, but whatever we planned just didn't work out, and in the end we just visited one museum which wasn't that big enough. Like, it was a short trip to the museum, and we had food at an amazing restaurant, Ferry Wharf, and visited the colorful houses of Fontanas and came back home. That's it. That was the day. But the plan included many more things. So the point of making this clip right now is that life will happen at times and things won't work out the way you want it to work out, right? But still, in the end, it can be a beautiful day. Like right now, you can hear from my voice is almost gone, but I consider it as a sign of having fun, because I had so much fun. I laughed so much. I made so many memories that I'll take this with me for the longest time, and that's what matters in the end. So even if things are not going your way, here's this reminder to you: don't worry, it will turn out good in the end. Just wait and go with the flow. Yeah, आज का ज्ञान इतना ही. So आज का दिन खत्म हो गया है, but tomorrow we have a triple celebration. There's 2 anniversaries and 1 birthday. This is the main reason that we've planned this trip around this time of the year, and we are going to celebrate it all together. I still don't know if it is going to be in the same vlog. 1, 2, 3. There is coming a vlog for sure, so stay tuned. Good night for now. So day 2 was 14th of December. It was just meant to be a celebration day, but we squeezed a morning beach walk before the celebration began. This is my nephew Rian, and it was his first time at the beach. Initially, he felt disgusted of the sand and a little confused about the water, but in the end, he just refused to come out of it, like you can see here. The rest of 14th of December was just spent by us partying, and you'll see more about it in the next vlog. But we ended that day with a celebratory dinner at this place called as Chic Shanti. I have mixed reviews about this place. It was a good place, good interiors, great food, but the food took almost 2 hours to reach our table, which was a big bummer. But yeah, it was a good place, and that's how we ended 14th of December and our Goa trip. Hi guys, so I'm just checking in to say that this is the end of my Goa vlog. Please don't mind my voice. I've had a lot of fun and my voice says the same thing. And I came here 2 shades lighter and with a better voice, but I'm going out of your place, like this place, with 100 beautiful memories, and I have loved these 3 days of my life to the core. And yeah, one thing, I'm filming.
Wow.
And yes, she just called me because she needed the keys. But this is it for Goa vlog, and we are going ahead to Konkan for our yet another vacation. We are on a 1-week vacation and we are going to have the most of it. I'm going to try to vlog there. I haven't decided really if I'm going to, but I didn't decided whether I'm going to vlog here as well, but I did and I loved it. I hope I edited well so that I can put it up. And yeah, it was just an amazing week, I guess. Not week, just 3 days.
Just 3
and wow,
days.
look at this. It's so aesthetic.
Exactly.
But yeah, that's it for now. Okay, I'll come.
Bye.
Bye. So I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we did, and I hope you guys subscribe to my channel if you like my vlogs. I promise to vlog with a better voice the next time I do that. And if you guys have any questions to ask or anything for that matter, just comment down below. I'll be very prompt with my replies, I promise. Bye bye, see you soon. Subscribe, like, comment, whatever. Bye 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 bye.